Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I asked my mom how does she make that brown stew fish that everyone orders, and she started out by us going to the market, and she showed me how to pick out the right fish with the bright eyes and the firm flesh. We got two snappers and two yellowtails. After that, we got home, and she showed me how to clean these fish. As you can see here, she was patting them dry after washing them with lime and vinegar. Then she showed me how to score the fish, which is basically just slicing some slits into the body of the fish. Then she poured on some all purpose seasoning, and you want to make sure to massage all of those seasoning in there. That's how you start to build the flavor. Then she put some garlic in the hot oil. That adds extra flavor as that garlic infuses into that oil. You put in the fish. Listen to that. Now this is the browning step. So you're basically browning the fish. Over here, she's doing some rice and peas, and guys, this just smells amazing. She's made some homemade coconut milk. She blended the fresh coconut.
What kind of peas?
And she's going to strain that in. And oh man, that aroma is just amazing, guys. Right into the peas. So some rice and peas is gonna go alongside this brown stew fish.
Add more water, put in the seasoning. I like to put a little bit in my rice and peas.
Adding a little bit more flavor to that rice and peas. Put in some black pepper, some thyme, all those wonderful aromatics. Nice scotch bonnet.
That's the flavor.
And a nice fresh piece of scallion. Now that rice and peas is gonna simmer down. Alright, so this fish is still browning. You know, good things come to those who wait.
Brown braising it.
By the way, guys, if you're still watching, I just want to let you know you're a real one. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe.
Yeah, I'm gonna steam it first.
We're not finished. This is going to be a complete meal. So she is making some of her famous cabbage here, steamed. We're going to do it steamed this time. Some steamed cabbage. Going to get that seasoned up properly as well. Looking good. All-purpose seasoning on the cabbage. Some carrots. Nice. This is a good pairing to go with the rice and peas and that brown stew fish.
Ready?
Bell peppers.
It's soft, so our cabbage is all done. Over there I did some okras.
So she also gonna be
I love okra.
serving some okra with that. Okra. Now it's time to build the stew. So there's some chopped up seasonings
Nice
there,
baby.
tomatoes, thyme, onions.
Saute all this vegetable. Like
All of that is
peppers,
going to give you that
scallions,
amazing
onions,
flavor in
thyme.
that brown stew.
Go ahead and add some and then it will come together here. And I'm gonna make sure I have my hot water. Okay. I'm not adding no carrots because I did carrots in my vegetable. So that's it.
You add some water to the pot. After you let those seasons saute, I think she's adding
Adding some ketchup.
some ketchup here.
A little barbecue sauce and ketchup. Give it some color.
Adding some ketchup.
I'm gonna let that boil up a little.
That's how you build that flavor base in your brown stew. Get you that top-notch
Alright,
level brown stew taste.
I'm gonna add my
Now you
fish
add
in.
back the fish to the pot.
Grab that
You let that stew down, let the fish absorb the flavors. Now you have a smooth sauce full of flavor. And that is looking so amazing and smelling so great, guys. Those wonderful seasonings. Then you want to base your fish with that stew.
Okay, slowly. If you would like a plate like this, just make a comment, leave the comment, and I will get back to you.